Pakistan. During that time, building software for insurance, call centers, and healthcare. I'm also a great proponent of Agile and Scrum, and I also teach Agile and Scrum at university level as well as at corporate level, wherever I get the chance. So that's about it. After 10 days, I will be completing my 3 years at Zynodeck. You notice right now has always been the quality of code that we write. Because we follow very strong processes, and the way we engineer our software, that is very high quality, and it's very uncommon in Pakistan as well as all over the world. I think credit to the CEO that we started doing anonymous index, the happiness index, long time ago, and we've been doing that. Earlier we used to do that every week, and now we do that every 2 weeks. And that is anonymous. We get a good pulse of people are happy or not, and we also get some very good feedback on what's paining. Some people are very shy, so if they have this opportunity that they are anonymous and they can write recommendations and stuff, I think that is very powerful, and the management looks at that every time and takes action whenever possible. I think that is something that is very special about us. What is good for me is being a little unreasonable and overly optimistic in terms of trying out things. So if there's some technology that you want to use and you're not too sure whether it's going to work or not, and you can do a small experiment and do that, even if it's a weekend, it's some extra effort. But I think young developers should always think positively and try that thing out within reason, without risking the company or the code base. Trying out things and doing small experiments without worrying about whether the effort will be wasted or not. Each leader would have a session which would be like, I would have this. I don't do that anymore because my role has changed a bit, but very regularly we used to do sessions where the name of the session was Keep Ansar Honest. So the first 15 minutes of that session, my colleagues, people who reported to me, they would, for the first 15 minutes every week, they would actually point out where we went wrong, where I took wrong decisions in their opinion, and and basically talked about those negative instances. And if they were quiet, then I would ask them, was I on leave? Because if you're doing things, you're taking decisions, then you make mistakes. So I think that is where I think people, we are strong and we need to get better, which is to keep ourselves honest and basically to get very regular feedback from our people. So again, I love Agile, I love Scrum, and it's all about teamwork. It's very rare that an individual can do something great on their own. Even if history tells us that somebody was, that it's actually never one person, right? It's a team. It's the group of people around that person who basically guides him to success, him or her. So I think for me, teamwork is everything. The other interesting project we're doing is, apart from the regular client stuff, is a product called Meditrip.pk. That's a travel portal, and we're working with tour operators and with customers to make it more valuable. For the moment, we are generating leads for the tour guides, but we want to do more. We want to have more valuable content in Meditrip, so that people benefit from it, as well as over time we make it the go-to platform for travel. So if you want to go to Gavadir, you won't go to Wikipedia, you won't go and search on Facebook or anything. You would go to Meditrip and then look what you can do, things to do in Gavadir, and then go from there. So that is the idea behind Meditrip, and we hope to see it succeed. I would encourage youngsters to apply to Xylotech and join Xylotech. One of the big things would be, I think, apart from, of course, the learning and the growth, I think we are trying very hard to make Xylotech a fun place. And fun place in terms of, everybody says that, right? But the reason we say that Xylotech is a fun place and will continue to be a fun place is because the culture is that people help each other. So if I'm stuck, I'm not worried about people saying that, what will people think if I ask somebody this for help? You can ask for help.